I'm gonna make a quick video about this system, right? So my situation was that I had this, right, and it wasn't working. I bought one in TikTok, and I had the same situation. I returned it, and I bought another one in New Egg, and thinking that will be any better, right? And it uh, it had the same. So this is the one that I bought it from New Egg, and it's the pro version, supposed to be better than the TikTok, but same thing happened. Okay, so to fix it, this is me complaining. I made a video to fix it. All you had to do is there's a guy that posted a video, and I was just searching for a long time. So this guy fixed it.
I tried charging up with my Legion Go charger yesterday. Same problem. Look at the middle here. Nothing. But now, if I try to use the stock cable or a low voltage cable to charge it, we'll just show you the middle here. Boom. It lights up red. And now, if I turn it on, boom, it loads. Oh my
so
god.
thanks to this guy, I'm able to fix it now. The only reason why I'm making this video because there's not enough videos showing how to fix the error with the white letters. So I thought that if we make more videos of it, people will know more. Because some people go in the stream, rebooting the whole system, changing the SD card and everything. And so I'm just gonna post a video of this so people will see it more often.